Hello everyone, my name is Kihanti. My second productivity software that I will be covering is called Sisense. It is a BI tool which is groundbreaking, powerful and simple. Um, it has the shortest time to insight. It covers all full scope of business analytics on one agile BI software, from preparing complex data for analysis to creating dashboards within a wide variety of visualizations. It has a total cost of ownership and an unparalleled performance. Whether you are an executive, a data analyst, an IT, DBA, or a developer, you can all use this software for your own purpose. If you're an executive, your decision makers can easily monitor KPIs and get holistic view of the company with automated up-to-date reports. If you're a data analyst, you can spend time on extracting meaningful insights, not data prep. You can jump right into the data analysis, run any query you can think of to get answers on the spot. If you're an IT or a database analyst, you can create a secure data repository and deliver complex data sets ready for analysis with easy data preparations and minimal maintenance. If you're a developer, you can integrate Sisense into your existing software for powerful customer-facing analytics and data visualization. Um, there are graphics and many tools that will help you to make better decisions uh, with this product. So let me show you how it works. As you see, I have already installed Sisense in my computer, and it's connected to a server here. Here I'm only using sample data. I will show you how it is done. Okay, so here if you go to the home page at the beginning, you can decide to create a sample dashboard. So I'm going to create a new dashboard here. There are built-in databases that comes with the system. This is a trial version. So here, if I use e-commerce, and then the title would be e-commerce, and I'm going to create one. You get to create new widgets. So I select the data. You could see the variation with two variables here. Let's take gender, and let's add more data into that. Gender and the country ID along with the country name. Okay, so I have how many females are there with their country ID and which country it is. You can always decide to delete it if you don't like it. And on the left hand side you will see what kind of graphs will be available for you. There are many types available, and this is a heat map that will show you within each country the how much data is there. Like if we choose Russia here, the male population in Russia will be seen in this. Male in Ukraine, male in Belarus, and this is one way of creating it. And you could always use a different graph. You can add more data to this. You could see the revenue along with this male, female, male on specified here. So you can create any kind of diagram you want. How much revenue is created by male and female in each country. You hover over it, you will be able to see male in Ukraine made 68,974. So this is one way. So let me create one of the diagrams here. I'm going to add a new widget, and let me select data and go to the brand. Let me add the cost. you could always create a different graph. So the total cost of apples, the total cost of resale items, and then Samsung and other items which you will see. You could create a graph like this, or whichever that will make it easy for you. So you can always change the graph to what you want. If you add the country to this, this heat map will populate. So I believe this is the best one to go with this right now. So I'm gonna create another map, and you can always change the colors if you like. And what happens is, after you select a filter here, the entire all the charts will change accordingly. Let's add another widget. Select data. Let's add quantity and the brand. How much is there in each brand? We could add how much products are there in each country. So okay, so here if you go, you will see United States have 1.69% of the total quantity of 65% of the white berry. You could create a different graph, and let's just keep the list here for now. Okay, so I create that. So you will see here many graphs available. I have added few of the graphs for the dashboard here. Let me go ahead and show you how to create a widget and add some more graphs. I'm gonna create a one with the brand, and let's say the condition. Let's see if it's new or refurbished. So I don't think I can create a heat map for this one, but too many ticks for that. Let's just create a generic table here. So I'm gonna create that. You see the importance of this dashboard is you can have as much as graphs you like. You can join graphs together, and when you go through the information here, you can have the filters on the right hand side to filter out what you want. So if I don't want the Russian Federation in this, I can just remove it, and all the information in this will be relating to the United States. Or I could add, let me add Algeria and see. Okay, so you will see this change from United States and Russia to Algeria, Russia and United States. I could always go and remove as well. So let me just go and let me remove Russian Federation from this. So you will see it changed from United States, Russia and Algeria to just United States and Algeria. So in the here you can always change the theme colors as you like to different themes they have available. This is just a basic one, so I choose to go with the corporate. You can always download this as a PDF or an image, or you can share it with your team members. And if you have a time that you want this to be generated and shared, you can always set it out here at the daily one. And here you can export this dashboard, you can make another copy, you can edit the script, add different columns, you can add text, change things, change the customize the graphs here. So if I could add a text title here saying brands per country. You could drag and drop the tables as you like, as you want to see. So I'm just dragging it over. You have to reduce the size of it and then drag it around. So when you go through here, it will only show you the information that's available in this table. So among many other things you could do, this is one of the easiest ways to analyze data that's in your data set. You can create different variations among each other and save these to your dashboard and create a very interesting dashboard and share it among your managers and peers so they can make great decisions. Let me go back to home and then show you how to create another. If you go, I will show you another dashboard. Here you will see a great example of how tables are connected together, how graphs are connected together. You would see if you could always add the filters here and it will change the information you want, and you could always go access different chart types and all that. Let me download this as a PDF and show you. So I'm gonna download this as a portrait. I'm gonna download it. You will see it got downloaded here, and then I'm just gonna open it right here. You will see it comes in as a report, and you can share this report with anyone who would make decisions and want to see the data in your company. This is a great tool, a BI tool, and it is very convenient. Like I said, if you are a DB or a DBA or a programmer or a manager or even a client, this way you will be able to see what's going on in your company with much clear view, as you can filter out data as you need, and you can see correlations among each other. Sisense is a great tool for business intelligence, and like you see, this is a great way to analyze your company's data and make better decisions within a given period of time. So use Sisense and reap its results. Thank you.